Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to build a $4,000 wall library for under 400 bucks. And I'm really going to make this build as simple as possible, so stay tuned.
You made that?
As I set up our workstation, I'm going to show you a 3D model of what we plan on building today.
Ooh, she pretty.
When I say that we're going to make this build as simple as possible, that also includes the tools that we're going to use today. We're going to use a circular saw, a miter saw, a nail gun, rag rip cut jig, drill, and wood glue. I purchased 4 4x8 sheets of plywood. They are 3/4 of an inch thick. I ripped all those down to a common depth of 7 3/4.
2 hours later.
You're going to need to cut these thin pieces of wood. I'll tell you more about these later. So of course these dimensions are specific to my build, but creating your own cut list will help out a lot. Now that we have everything cut, let's get started. As for our thin scrap pieces, we want to cut those a little bit shy of our common depth.
Perfect.
So the next step is we're gonna make our doors. Our opening is 36 3/4, right? That's our opening for our door.
All you have to do is add an inch to the total length.
Our cut length is gonna have to be 37 3/4. That's it, man.
And it's gonna fit up perfectly, man.
Let's start cutting. I'll leave a link for these soft close hinges in the description. This wall library was 12 feet long and 8 feet tall, and I finished it all with just 1 gallon of paint. Then I use my modular router sled to surface down this live edge piece. If you're looking to make your own, I have a link to a step-by-step guide in the top right.
All done.
And there you have it, a wall closet that'll get everyone's attention. And I must admit, it looks better than a 3D model. But if this video helped you out in any way, don't be shy, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again in the next video.